Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, classes and real-time interview questions and answers. Part 41. What is Execute Package Task in SSIS?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is Execute Package Task in SSIS. The Execute Package Task in SSIS is a control flow task that allows you to run one SSIS package from another package. Execute package task is equal to a task used to call or execute another SSIS package inside a parent package. Why it is used? To break a large ETL processes into smaller and reusable packages, to create modular and maintain ETL solutions, to control execution order, to share logic, that is logging, loading, lookups, cleanups, etc. and where execute package task is commonly used. Running daily, weekly ETL steps in sequence, running multiple file loads in loops, reusing standard load packages, example, load customers, load sales, running configurations or pre-processing packages, orchestrating many child packages under one master package. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. We are in SSIS. I am trying to create a package here. I am trying to renaming it as Execute Package Task underscore parent. Why? Because this will be a parent package. Here in this process, what I am going to do is, these scripts are not yet created here in this target table, and there are 4 steps that I am going to implement here. First would be I am creating a table, next step would be I am inserting the data, and third step would be one update, and fourth would be another update. I will explain by using execute SQL task and execute package task to understand the process of execute package task. Let us get into the package now. I am in execute package task parent. Here, just changing the name. For the first step, what I am going to do is I am going to take execute SQL task. By using this task, I am creating a table. By double clicking on it, I am just trying to connect to our database. This is the database and the server that I am going to connect. And here in direct input, in the first step, what I am going to do is I am going to create this table by using this script. This is the create script that I am just pasting here inside the execute SQL task. This is the first step. And in the next step also, I am taking execute SQL task. Here what I am going to do is I will be connecting to the same database, and here I will be inserting the data for the table. And here in the SQL statement, I am inserting the data, and I am just connecting these two tasks. Here inserting data, and for the third step, which is update step, what I am going to do is I am going to create another package. Here I am trying to rename it as child package. In this package, I am going to take execute SQL task. Here I will be doing the first update. I am connecting to the same database, and here the first update for this employees table. In the employees table, for employee name John D, that is John D is having 5,000 in the beginning, and by using this update statement, 50,000 of salary, and by updating this thing, he'll be getting 52,000 salary. This update statement would be the third step. For that, I'm just creating a new package. Here I'm just trying to update the table by using separate package. Okay, and coming to the main package. Here I am trying to take this for this update. We have a separate package. For that I am taking execute package task. I am just connecting. Now the execute package task is going to do what it is going to do. First update from the child package. If you open the execute package task, in packages you will be having project reference and project package name. From project reference, what package we have to run here? Child package. In this execute package task editor, by using this task we are taking child package, which used to update one of the record in the employees table. We are taking this child table by using execute package task, and thus that task we are using in execute package task parent package. We are using the task in parent task, that is parent package. And third step would be another update that we are going to do. This is a normal update. I am taking execute SQL task directly into the parent package. Here what I am going to do is, this is the last update. Here department IT is going to be get into the city San Francisco. IT was before New York. Now the New York is going to change to San Francisco. This thing I'll be updating by taking another execute SQL task. This is the database and the server. This is the operation that I'm giving it to as SQL statement. See, now I have configured the package. In this main package, first step would be creating table, second step would be inserting the data, and third step would be updating the data. But in the third step place, we have updated by using another package, that is child package. By using execute package task, we are taking this child package here. Now one update is going to happen, and in the main package only I am taking another execute SQL task. Here it is going to update another record. I'm just trying to run the package. Now the package is running. The child package, see, we started the main package, child package also triggered, it got run, it is successful as well. And in coming to the main package, 4 tasks have been ran successfully. Let us check the data. Here I'm just selecting the data. Let us see about the updates. First update would be for John D. John D is the person. His salary has to be updated to 52,000. Now his salary is updated to 52,000. And department IT department, before it was New York, now it is updated to San Francisco with the next update process. In this way, we can create a package. Inside that package, if you want to call another child package or another package, we have to use the execute package task inside the main package. For overall picture, I have explained you in the simple execute SQL task. In the real times, we'll be trying to execute the different packages inside a single package for the sequence or for different purposes that I have explained in the previous slide. I think you got some idea about the execute package task. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.